he evolved in order to explain the cosmology. So this cosmology of dividing the universe into two, the terrestrial and the celestial. And this is a kind of a common sense science, because we see that, if ever we are throwing something up, it goes up and it comes down. So a stone which goes up, it comes down and it comes to the natural place. The same way I am throwing something, it is coming to rest. So according to Aristotle, everything has a place, and everything has to come to rest it to its original place. So we see that his cosmology is supported by a physics he devised in order to explain the functioning of this universe.
Also, he speaks about three sciences. He divides the reality into three types of substances. As you said, the sublunar world, that means everything on the face of the earth. And then the heavenly bodies. And then the suprasensible world. The first type of terrestrial substances, they are temporal, sensible, and temporal. The celestial bodies are sensible but eternal. The third one is non-sensible and eternal, and that is the unmoved mover. And for these three realms of substances, he is giving a science also. Physics is the science which deals with the terrestrial substances. Mathematics is the science which deals with the celestial bodies, because mathematics is used for calculating their motions and so on. And these two belong to the sensible world, and the non-sensible, that means that which is not pertaining to the world of senses, non-sensible and eternal substance is what is called unmoved mover. And the science which deals with that highest substance is what is called metaphysics or first philosophy. It is called first philosophy because it is with the notion of the unmoved mover only we can find the ultimate meaning for the whole reality. And that is why that metaphysics is called the first philosophy.
This is something very interesting. Also, maybe casually it happened that Andronicus of Rhodes, he was the one who edited many of his class notes. So Aristotle used to call his students and walk around, and then it is around the city of Athens, and then they were discussing, and all those class notes were collected together and edited by this Andronicus. So after physics, he simply put it as metaphysics. So what is beyond physics? What is beyond dynamics and mechanics of the physical universe? That has been denoted as metaphysics. And I think this is the way naturally it has come to evolve something beyond physics known as metaphysics. And this metaphysics deals with the transcending the physical realm. And something fascinated about Aristotle is that he, after all his scientific pursuits, he found that these natural physical explanations are to a certain extent inadequate to explain this universe. So that is the reason why, as you said, these three different